Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is ready. Check Android version and grant calendar permissions. Open settings and confirm the Google account you'll use. This ensures events sync. Next, go to Accounts, select Google and toggle Calendar Sync on. This is the first actionable step because without sync you can't see or add items across devices. Once done, open the Google Calendar app to observe existing events. This verifies the connection and prevents duplicate calendars later. You now create events. Tap the plus, pick the correct calendar, enter a clear title and set time boundaries. This matters so notifications fire correctly. Add guests and select alert timings. Those choices control how you and others are reminded. For recurring plans, choose the repeat rule to avoid manual entry. Make sure to color code calendars to visually separate work from personal. This keeps your view uncluttered and reduces mistakes when choosing where to save new events. To finish, review event details and confirm attendees accepted. This closes the loop. If events don't appear, force a sync. Open settings, right arrow accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow sync now. If that fails, clear the calendar app cache or remove and re-add the Google account. These steps resolve most sync issues. Make sure calendar is exempt from battery optimization so notifications fire. If needed, export an ICS as a backup. This keeps you safe if sync breaks unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.